What up everybody, it's ipadbeatmaking.com, and today we're going to compare the DJI Osmo Action to the GoPro Hero 8 and why I decided to go with the... Now wait, before we get to that, let me outline my experiences with DJI as a company and their products. See, I've had DJI products since the Phantom 3, and my journey with them hasn't been easy or cheap. But let me say this, I love their drones, and as far as I'm concerned, they offer the best drones with the best technology, and its price point is unmatched. They also show themselves to be amazing innovators with products like the Osmo, Osmo Pro, and the Osmo X5 RAW. Now the X5 RAW really intrigued me. They had raw footage, micro four thirds sensor size, on a gimbal, with removable lenses. I mean, what could be better? This had the potential to have literally no setup, just grab it out the bag and start shooting. Now at the time from my studio where I was doing music, shooting music videos, I thought I was gonna have a money printer with this thing. So I grabbed it, and as I've come to learn about DJI, I should have asked, what's the catch? Well, the catch is this. After spending more than $4,000 into this system, it had fans that sounded like a fighter jet, the files were literally raw and uncompressed, unlike the Red camera's RAW format, which is compressed, efficient, and manageable. Now, I'm down to take my L on that for not better understanding the various forms of RAW. However, the loud fans made it literally impossible to record anything meaningful with sound, and trying to hook up an external sound situation wasn't much better. I could still hear traces of those fighter jets through the audio line input, and an external recorder wouldn't matter either on a quiet set because the fans were so loud. I was shooting music videos at the time, so I actually could have lived with that, but I wish we could have gotten a codec like ProRes so that the RAW files were more manageable but still high quality. It literally took 2 to 3 file conversions to even get the videos workable on a program like Adobe Premiere, and a lot of external hard drives. This thing would eat through 512GB SSD proprietary cards like it was nothing. The average video shoot would take 3 to 4 of those, and remember, that's before conversion. So I was dealing with 3 to 4 terabytes of video through the shooting and editing process. I mean, it was just unsustainable. Local music video shoots don't pay that well, and eventually DJI decided to stop updating this product after giving us very few updates to begin with, and then they abandoned it. A pattern I've learned that DJI likes to adopt with certain products. So then we got the Osmo Pocket, a camera with a gimbal, face tracking. It's a thing of beauty. Could this be the answer? Well, what's the catch? No built-in Wi-Fi. I could live with that. I'll just grab a Wi-Fi adapter, right? Well, maybe, but here's the conundrum with the Osmo Pocket. You want to use a Wi-Fi adapter? No problem. Just know you can't use their audio adapter to capture external audio with it. Weird, right? And nowhere was this mentioned at the time of purchasing these products. So now you're stuck monitoring from a tiny screen or physically attaching your phone so that you can monitor your video. Now, who imagines a Wi-Fi adapter that has the same port as the mic adapter, USB-C, but won't work with it? Now, that's quite a catch if you don't want to be stuck with their shitty internal mic. And you can't live stream, so there's that. All that gorgeous face tracking would be perfect for a live stream, but nope, you can't have it. And why can't you have it? I don't know, but you can't yet. Osmo Action can have it. Why? I guess to compete with GoPro. Meanwhile, Osmo Pocket gets left behind. So you can just buy the next one, which hopefully addresses all the things you didn't like and gives you new features. So let's fast forward. Now today we're going to compare the DJI Osmo Action to the GoPro Hero 8 and why I decided to go with the GoPro Hero 8. First off, the Osmo Action is gorgeous. It has a removable lens protector and front-facing screen. The GoPro Hero 8 does not. Both of them have image stabilization, which looks nice. Both record 4K. The Osmo Action is cheaper, but the GoPro has the ability to have HDMI out, whereas the Osmo Action does not. So if you want to do extreme action sports, then the Osmo Action might be better for you. And if you own one, I can see why. However, for my needs, GoPro, despite probably losing a lot of market share to DJI, listens, improves, updates, and upgrades. They seem to have principle and customer support behind what they do. Now, I'm not a big fan of needing the media mod kit for audio and HDMI, and the lens being non-removable, but I am a fan of the company. When the pandemic hit, people had to be home more than ever, and the new metric for people working from home was, how's your camera quality, sound quality, home office quality? There became another type of snobbish elitism around Zoom calls. Some people had GoPros already and asked GoPro to allow them to use it as a webcam. They answered the call with a software update that unlocked this with the GoPro Hero 8, and DJI just usually dead ends everything. Every new generation of products comes with a new app, DJI Go, then DJI Go 4, then DJI Mimo, all of which are for use with different DJI devices. So basically apps like DJI Go become abandonware and apps like DJI Mimo cherry pick what products can get new features. DJI Osmo Action, the newer product, can live stream and the DJI Osmo Pocket can't. There's no understandable reason why it can't other than that they don't care to add that feature. GoPro listens and issues updates, and while they aren't perfect, and their media mod seems a bit extra when their previous cameras had these ports built in, and the non-removable lens seems like an awkward choice, I like them. They're fighting and they're trying to stay alive by listening to their customers and even updating and adding new features after a product's release. I like that I can use HDMI out, something no Osmo can do. I like that their audio adapters still let you charge the device while you use the audio port. I also like that there's a remote that can control one or multiple GoPros. This is perfect for ipadbeatmaking.com videos, as once we have a rig set up, we're good to go. And the webcam feature setup is invaluable for us because now we can use our capture card for the iPad screen instead of the camera itself, which allows us to have two views on the screen, allowing for more immersive tutorials and beatmaking videos. So that's why I went with the GoPro Hero 8. It's for everything that the Hero 8 isn't supposed to be. It's not supposed to be a webcam, but it is. It's not supposed to be a stationary indoor camera, but in this case it is. It's all grown up now, and no more being stuck with a fisheye view. The linear view and narrow views are beautiful. Also, again, the ability to use external remotes is beautiful. So that's why I picked the GoPro Hero 8. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please hit the thumbs up so it'll help the channel grow, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It's ipadbeatmaking.com. Peace.